G'day, I found this out on the railway the other day and it's pretty rusty, so I thought I might try and see what the electrolysis process does to clean this up. I've read that it works pretty well. Some of that's pretty bad there, but I'm going to make up a bit of a system here with some sacrificial electrodes there. Weld something up, put water in it, stick negative lead of a power supply onto this and the positive lead onto the sacrificial electrodes there, and see if I can clear it up. See how we go. There it is, hanging up in the breeze. It'd be filled with water and the power supply attached. Well, it's been running for about 3 hours, I reckon, now. Look how murky that water's looking. I might bring it up in a second, see if it's been doing anything to the part that's in there. Well, it's been running overnight. I'll pull it out and see what it looks like. It was quite interesting when I pulled it out. A lot of metal flaked off. So I'm going to put it in there for a little bit longer, maybe another couple of days. See how it goes. It's definitely doing something to it though, because there's metal just came off and a lot of sort of black material came off it. So keep going. Well, this is the result after about 4 days under treatment, and it's really good. So all that pitting there is where there was blisters of rust. So you can't do anything about that, but it's actually got shiny bits in some points. This has really worked well. Here's the solution and the sacrificial anodes there. You can see why they're called sacrificial. They're exactly the opposite to what the part under treatment has come out like. I mean, you look at that. I didn't even use any abrasives on that or anything like that. I just wiped it off, washed it off, and it's come out like that. It's really good. I don't know if you can get it on the camera, but some parts there even look shiny, and that's through nothing other than this treatment and washing it off and wiping it off. About 4 days worth. It was I had about 20 volts into this, and it was drawing about 300 milliamps the whole time. And even after a couple of hours, you can start seeing results. Just look at the water there. Disgusting. Anyway, that's a success. Try it. And that's where all the rust went. Look at that.